In this video, we'll show you how to add the texture and put an array on your compass saw. Since we are going to want the grip on the compass saw to be vertical, we want to get it in the correct orientation first. Also make sure you choose the correct part. I have the screw also on here, so I'm going to move that out of the way so I don't accidentally put it on the wrong shape. Now I'm going to make sure that my snap is set up at quadrant, because that's where I want my texture to go, is on one of the quadrants. You can choose any shape you want to. You can use a square, triangle, rectangle. I'm going to keep it simple and use a circle here. Again, the diameter is up to you. Once I choose the diameter of the circle that I put in there, I want to make sure that it's snapped to the quadrant. And then I'm going to go to my array tool and make sure I choose polar array since it's a circular array. And then click on the shape, hit enter to select it, choose the center point that I want to array around, and then I make sure that I have the correct number of items. Again, you can make it any number you like. Remember, anytime you use array, please make sure that you turn off the associative button. If that associative button is turned on, you won't be able to edit, modify, extrude, or subtract any of the shapes. So, once I have that done, I'm going to orbit my shape around to see the pattern that I made. And since they're circles, I do not need to region them. I can simply go to extrude, and I can click on all the circles individually and then take and extrude them. This video I should have done a number less than 10, but you have to bear with me as I click on all of these shapes. After I click on them, I can extrude all of them down and just make sure they go on beyond the point of the taper there. And whenever we subtract, remember we always click on what we want to keep or subtract from first. Select the enter button, then you can take and you can click on the items you actually want to take and cut away. Remember, you can subtract from more than one item at once. It is important to note that the cutout will take on whatever color shape you created. So in my case, I use the default white, so I get the white cutouts on my cyan colored compass rod.